John Milton Paradise Lost is widely regarded as one of the greatest epic poems in the English language, published in 1667. The poem is composed of 12 books and follows the biblical stories of the fall of the man. Milton's work is deeply theological, philosophical, political, reflecting his Puritan's belief and his engagement with the political turmoil of his time. This essay will explore the theme, structure, and literary devices, the central characters of Paradise Lost, to highlight its significance in the literary canon. One of the most dominant themes in Paradise Lost is the nature of free will and the predestinations. Milton explored the concept of divine justice by portraying Adam and Eve's choice to disobey God, emphasizing that their fall was not inevitable but rather a consequence of their own choice. Another key theme is the struggle between good and evil, represented through the contrasting figures of God and Satan. The poem also delves into the ideal heroism, questioning traditional notions by presenting Satan as a complex and charismatic figure. Another significant theme is obedience and rebellion. Satan's rebellions against God and Adam and Eve disobedience reflect Milton's concern with authorities, hierarchy, mirror the political conflict of 17th century England. The poem also examines the theme of the redemptions, suggesting that although humanity's fall from grace, hope for salvation remain through divine mercy and repentance. Milton employs blank verse, unrhymed, iambic pentameter to give Paradise Lost a grand and elevated tone, making it suitable for an epic, and the poem follows the classical epic conventions such as invoking the muse, beginning in medias, and using epic simile. Unlike earlier epic that focus on war and physical heroism, Paradise Lost center on spiritual and moral struggle, adding a unique dimensions to the tradition. Saturn, perhaps the most fascinated character in Paradise Lost, is Saturn is portrayed with grandeur, determination, and persuasive rhetoric, and he famously declares better to reign in hell than serve in heaven, showcasing his pride and defiance. While he initially appears heroic, his descent into despair and deceit reveal his ultimate downfall. God, Milton presents God as a omniscient and just, emphasizing his divine authority. However, some critics argue that his portrayal appears somewhat dissonant and lack the dramatic appeal of other characters. Adam and Eve, the first human, embody innocence and the potential for both obedience and transgressions. Eve's role in the fall is particularly complex as she is depicted as both independent and susceptible to temptations. Adam's choice to eat the forbidden fruit out of love for Eve highlight the theme of the sacrifice and human emotions. Milton states in the opening lines that his purpose is to justify the way of God to man. He seeks to explain the fall of the man as a part of the God divine and reinforcing the ideas of human responsibilities. God ultimate justice, Paradise Lost has had a profound impact on literature, influencing writers such as William Blake, Mary Shelley, and C.S. Lewis. Its theme continues to resonate, making it a timeless explorations of the faith, moralities, and human nature. Paradise Lost remain a masterpiece of English literature, blending theology, philosophy, and poetic artistry. Milton's explorations of free will and obedience, redemptions, provide profound insight into human nature. Divine Justice, the poem's complex characters, grand style, and deep theme ensure its enduring relevance, inviting readers to reflect on the nature of good and evil, choice and consequence, and the eternal struggle between rebellion and submissive.